Microwaves are a type of radio wave that travel at the speed of light, and they have an extremely high frequency. Its frequency can go from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz per second, and its wavelength is usually a couple of centimeters. The main uses for microwaves are in cooking, radars, telephones, and other types of signals. They're also used in actual microwaves to cook your food. To create microwaves, you will use a magnetron, and they are the ones that help transmit information from place to place.
Another example of microwaves are cell phones. Cell phones use radio frequency to transmit signals, and some have been raised that these signals may increase the risk of cancer. So that's why people cannot sleep with their phone next to it or close to it because it has a high risk of cancer. They use microwaves in the chip and the antenna of the phone. And that's it. An example of microwaves are a microwave oven. A microwave ovens work by using high levels of certain frequency of radio frequency radiation to heat the food. A microwave ovens can cook food, but it does not change the molecule or the chemical structure of it. Microwaves are absorbed by food containing water, which cause the molecules to vibrate, and then it can produce heat. So then that's how they cook the food. What does a microwave use radar? The radar was developed to detect objects and to determine their range by transmitting short bursts of microwaves. A radar is an object detection system that uses radio waves to determine the range, the angle, or the velocity of objects.
Dangers of microwaves. Microwaves can cause cataracts on your eyes if prolonged exposure to significant levels of microwaves. People who work in building military planets use a special suit that reflects microwaves so that they don't get burned by them. Cell phones can also cause problems to affect your brain, especially since you hold them next to your head.
A magnetron is a device that transforms electrical energy into electromagnetic waves in the form of microwaves. Magnetrons are used in devices such as ovens and microwaves. When a microwave, the use that a magnetron has is that it transforms the electrical energy of the microwave into microwaves, and those microwaves heat your food up. This is how a magnetron that goes inside a microwave would look like.
NASA used microwaves to take this image of the Milky Way solar system over a time period of 1 year. Microwave communication is used by NASA and other space agencies for deep space communication. Since a microwave has a narrow focus frequency band, it will travel in a straight line and can penetrate the Earth's atmosphere. Microwave communication is clear over a long distance through space.